I'm gonna show you guys my fence made out of cattle panels. This is so far just got like 2x4s, and these are like 4x3.5 pine pressure treated wood. And reason why I got that pressure treated wood, and look at our boy here, 4-month-old cha-cha named Mac, M-A-Q. He's loving this fence, and this stuff is real thick. It's real thick stuff. So you can't get out. I have heavy duty hinges here I got from Home Depot, and just simple heavy duty locks, which you can put a little slide lock, or you can actually put a padlock on here. Got little bars, and I just put PVC, 1-inch PVC pipe in the ground with concrete to keep the post down, to help keep the fence stabilized. Had to do a contour of the ground to go along. I'm sorry, contour of the fence to go along with the ground, should I say. And as you can see down the bottom there, same thing, contour there and contour there with the fence on that side there. And I'm gonna take you to the back. If you look at the back, same thing, contour of the ground all the way around. And that's the back gate. The back gate there. I'm gonna take you to see that as well. Here's the other side. I haven't finished this side yet. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side here. And as you see, the contour of the ground, contour of the fence matches the contour of the ground. And here, this fence isn't 100% straight because I had too many doggone rocks, huge rocks in the ground, to had to kind of bow it out just a little bit, because you would have to dig a huge hole and fill it in. I didn't want to have to deal with that. So there's the boy. There's the boy. Right there. Hey, Mac. That's the man. He loves his fence. And like I said, cow panel. No, I mean, this is my first fence I've ever done, and I'm happy with it. And like I said, it's not 100% straight. This panel, this one right here, I got to pull this one out and make it straight. Say hey to the world, Mac. Say hey to the world. And I built this fence for him, and it's just butted up against my neighbor's fence. And I kept this back here. I didn't want to fool with this, because I got gray metal trees back here, so I went in front of all of that stuff. And let me take y'all inside of here. Keep him in. And I painted this lock here. I can put a lock on here as well. I painted this to kind of keep people from looking at it. And you never know. It's in this world now, people just do anything. So just give you inside look at my, I guess they call this is a DIY fence. Oh, he wants to play. So, and it's kind of going on an angle, and I got to fill that back spot in as well. I'm gonna fill that in this week. Just giving y'all like a preview on what I got. Got a few of these ideas from some people on YouTube, which their fence look great, and I just kind of added my own little flavor to it. And so you guys can see what I done. So I mean, it turned out nice. And I got the paint, the stain. I stained the post and the wood the same color as my garage. and my the front of my house on the railing. I painted that, but this here is considered waterproof stain by a bear, and I still have some more wood left over. But like I said, these are double-sided 2x4s to so this fence will have some stability. The gate, should I say, so the gates will have some stability, so when I open and close it, it doesn't sag. So I mean, it turned out nice compared to my first fence. Like I said, I ain't no fence expert, and I can always tweak it, but I'm going to also add probably some 2x6s. Put some 2x6s probably up here and down the bottom, but I am going to put some feet down the bottom to prevent, so like the dog step on it when they get older. And I can use these here, any of these, any of that, to just cut them short and just put feet on the bottom. And on the top, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, I might do 2x6s. I have no idea, but like I said, as of now, I got it waterproofed, so when it rains, this wood won't buckle at all. So, but like I said, I'm happy with it, considering I did all of this by myself, and I took my time doing it, and finally got it done. And I painted. I stained this here yesterday with a Wagner, one of them Wagner stainers, Wagner stain gun, and it took me around 3 hours, maybe 2.5 hours to actually stain all of this. But 2.5 hours to stain all of this, because that stainer, that stain gun, it didn't have a lot of pressure. It just put out just enough, so I didn't have any after spray. So what I did, I just went on and squirted, went on and hit the wood with the stain gun, and then if I had any stuff that was running, I just took the brush and went behind it and hit it real quick. Just kept on going, and I got a few spots on the metal, and I can just go ahead and pop that off with with like a utility knife or something like that. But it's not that bad, because I didn't have to put any tape on here to let you know that thing was so tight. It had like a cone pattern. It has a cone pattern, a wide pattern, and a fan pattern, up and down, side to side, and a cone pattern. I put it on the cone pattern, and it was like a golf ball. I mean, it was just squirting real tight getting up in there. But I got a couple spots I got to hit, but I ain't worried about it right now. And I'll hit them this week once I get some time to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this big boy out of here. He got his buddy there, Bobby, next door neighbor, and he's really liking Bob. I think Bobby's like 7 years old now, and Mac is 4 weeks. Oh boy, you coming over here gonna step in your poop. Come over here. But anyway, like I said, this is what it is. I'm happy with it, and like I said, I'm gonna do some tweaking. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I'm gonna add lights at the top. I don't know. That's my neighbor across the street, and might add some what you call those lights, solar lights. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm done. Iceman signing out.